Peace and happiness to you all. So listen, I want to show you a free web app that you can use for your projects and business idea to organize it and to structure it. Now, this is a free web app, so I'm going to leave it below in the description section and also in the comment section. You don't need to download anything, so it's on your web browser. So basically, the way it works is this. It utilizes the framework of the business model canvas, right? So there is nine blocks, right? So you have your key partners, your key activity, value proposition. So basically, if you have an idea, all you got to do is just, project name. So what is the name of your project? What is the name of your idea, right? So let's say your idea is to start a online, let's say you have an online coaching business, right? So you just put it there and then designed by you. So your name goes there and then it gives you the date and then the version. So this is version 1. Now here, this is what makes it a lot easier, right? The framework. So you can go through each one of these blocks. So for example, the key partners. So you can click on the icon here just to get some more detail, right? So it will give you some details. So let me just move this here. So it gives you some detail about the block itself, right? About the key partner. What are key partners, right? So here's some examples so you can read it through, right? Same thing here for key activity, right? So you can click on it to know, okay, what are some key activities for your business and so on. So now this makes it a lot easier, especially if you're on the go. So let's say if you're outside and you have an idea that just pops up, that just comes up, right? So you can use this on your mobile device too. There's actually an app, right? So let me show you the app. Well, not the app, but you can save it on your home screen, right? So let me show you how it works, right? So it's the same app. So all you got to do is, as you can see here, you can save it on your home screen, right? So if I click on it, right? So it's good because now it's mobile, right? So there it goes, right? So it's right on your home screen. So now, right, your project name, right? So the name of the project was, what was the name of our project, right? Online something, right? Online coaching business, right? Online courses, right? And then you can go through it, right? Actually, let me clear this because I was already doing something. So let me clear this, right? So now you see, so you can clear it, right? You can basically, you can do so online coaching business, right? So that was the name of it, online, right? Online coaching, or let's just call it online courses, right? And then you can go through it, and then here you can enter. So who are your key partners, right? So let's say your key partners are let's say teachers. I don't know, right? I'm just making stuff up right now. So teachers, right? Teacher or teachers. And then you go to your key activities. So your key activities, so it gives you a hint. What are your key activities? So key activities are what key activity does your value proposition require, right? So now if you need more information, you can just click on it, on the icon to see what, key activity is, what key activities are, right? So it gives you some examples here. Okay, so this is what key activities are. Key activities vary by business type, production, problem solving, platform, blah, 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 right? So you can go through it, right? And then you can put your key activity, right? So let's say our key activity is problem solving, right? Or creating courses. Let's say creating courses and so on. So, right? I just want to go through it fast so you can see the power. Now, as I said, this is a free web app, right? And then, right, you keep going, right? And then it gives you key resources, right? What key resources does your value proposition require? So you can also click on it if you want examples or if you want more details to know what it is, right? And then you just enter all your information. And then you can just go through it. Very simple, right? I don't really need to over explain it, right? And then there's a note section here. So if you want to, add some additional notes, right? Just say testing business idea, testing products, and so on. So, right, you can add additional notes, right? And then you go to your revenue stream, same thing, right? So if you want to know what is revenue streams, it gives you some examples of actual companies and what they're using as revenue streams. So this is like a framework, right? It gives you a framework to validate your business idea, right? So that way, and then you can also export it, right? So you can export it as a text, as a text file. So let's say if I go export, right, boom, okay, Canvas has been exported, and then you can see the information that it exported and so on, so all right. And then you can always change version. So let's say this was version 1. You can also come back and just say, okay, version 2, right, version 2. right? Now you can update your business model canvas, right? Or your business idea, because as an ideas always evolve, right? You always need to iterate your ideas and so on. So ideas are not static, they're dynamics, right? Because you're trying to test out your proof of concept to see if it makes sense. So this is a great tool, right? As I said, it's a great tool. So that's the right? There's the web version too. So right, same thing, right? You can export it as a text. Let me see here, right? See if it's going to show. Okay, yeah, you can export it and so on. So, and yeah, you can go through it. So as I said, it's a free web app. I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be in the description section. It's also in the comment section as well. And we also have our academy. So if you want to get some more templates and tools, where we have lots of tools in our academy, right? So I'll leave the link below to our academy as well, right? This is where we show you how to create, how to structure, and how to launch your business, right? So we have different types of tools, templates for, business marketing checklist, digital product checklist, you name it, right? And then we show you how to master the business canvas, right? And it's you can choose your price, whether it's monthly or quarterly, if you want to be able to join our Q&A sessions or our Q&A forum sessions, so on. So it's a free web app, as I said, right? You can, there is the web version, and then there's also the, you can save it on your phone, right? You can save it on your phone as on your phone as a screen, right? Because let me show you here. Let me just go back here, right? So if I go back here, see? So there's my phone, right? So there is the our web app, right? So now let me just give you a little bit of summary, just a quick summary of what a business model canvas is, right? So this is what a business model canvas is, right? So a business model canvas is really, it's just a one page, right? Let me just keep it more, right? It's a one page strategy, map or a visual, right? So instead of, instead of having, instead of writing a 50-page business plan, right, you just keep it under one page, right? Because as you know, business ideas are very complex, right? It evolves, it's very dynamic and so on. So having a visual that allows you to validate and evaluate your business idea is great, right? Because as I said, right, most business plans they're static, right? You write a 50-page business plan, and those don't work anymore. That's the old way of doing stuff. Nowadays, it's dynamic, right? You need to be able to move fast with your business idea or your project idea. So this is what a business canvas looks like, right? The 9 building blocks. So you have your key partners, your key activity, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, key resources, channels, cost structure, and revenue stream. Now, if you can master this, you'll be able to validate your business ideas or your projects very fast, very quickly, right? Because you're going to know before you invest any money in your project, you want to go through this 9 building blocks to know if that idea is worth investing in, right? Because this 9 building block is going to give you a proof of concept, right? It's going to let you know what? Yeah, your business idea makes sense. Maybe it's time to take it to phase 2, where you can start investing in, right, in actually building it. So before you start anything, make sure you validate your project, your idea, by using the business model canvas, right? And as I said here, this tool here, this web app that I'm showing you, everything is in there. So it also gives you, right? So if you want to know more about any of the, right, let me just move this here. So if you want to know each block, it gives you, there's a summary, there's some examples and so on. So if you're not clear of what a value proposition is, so just click there, Academy. So if you want to join our Academy and you want to get more tools, because we have different types of tools to help you create and launch your business ideas, right? We have templates, we have digital business marketing templates, right? And we have the business model canvas. We have different types of template for the business model canvas, and it is a monthly subscription. And there's also quarterly if you want to join the Q&A sessions or the Q&A forums if you have any questions about self-publishing. So if you want to know how to publish books, if you want to know more about AI, right, we have a Q&A forum, and then we have the business model canvas Q&A forum. So if you have any questions about business model canvas, it's there. If you have any questions about web app publishing, so if you want to publish something similar than this, right, we can show you how to do it inside our academy, right? And as I said, everything is going to be below. The links are going to be below in the description section for the free web app and for our academy as well. So I think that's it. I'll see you all in the next video. I am out. Peace.